So the second equipment that we need to calculate for the center of gravity is center of gravity calculators. One of the center of gravity calculators are electric calculators. Electric calculators are handhelds or software tools that we need to compute for an aircraft center of gravity. And the second tool or equipment that we can use are also known as mechanical calculators. Mechanical calculators are just like electric calculators, but instead, these are manual held calculators that we can use to compute for an aircraft center of gravity. So the third equipment that we can use for weighing an aircraft is load planning software. Load planning software, it is where we optimize the cargo, the cargo that we can load, ensuring the safety, balance, and regulatory compliance of an aircraft. The fourth equipment that we will use is weight and balance load sheets. Weight and balance load sheets are the documents detailing the total weight and distribution of an aircraft to ensure the safe flight operation. The fifth equipment that we will use is aircraft weighing systems. In aircraft weighing systems, there are three systems that you can use, and first one is platform weighing system. Platform weighing systems are large scales for weight measurement of an aircraft. Second one is axle weighing system. Axle weighing system measures weight of each wheel of the landing gear to determine the weight distribution. And the third and last one is lift-off weighing system. Lift-off weighing system uses jacks or cranes to assess the total weight of an aircraft. The last template that we can use is spreadsheet templates. It is a digital document for smaller aircraft operation, also to know the center of gravity and weight of an aircraft. The last one is automatic weight and balance software. It is a software where we can streamline the calculation and to reduce the errors of an weight of an aircraft to know the perfect center of gravity of an aircraft.
Good day, everyone. We are Group 5 from Section 3B. And for today's discussion, we're going to discuss about...
Aircraft preparation before weighing.
So, for the first question, what are the things need to be identified and documented for removing before initial inspection?
Well, first of all, we have to check the interior of the aircraft if there's any debris or problems. And after that, we proceed to the outside of the aircraft, which is the exterior. We check if there's any leaves or things that is preventing us from weighing the aircraft.
For the second question, how should fluid levels check and recorded to ensure they meet the required weight standard?
So first of all, we have checked the oil of the aircraft by opening the dipstick in the left, in both of the engines, which is the left and the right side. We open the latch, and in the left side of the aircraft, in the right side of the aircraft, there is a dipstick and the oil is normal. But in the left side, I haven't seen any signs of dipsticks. There are no dipsticks available. And next is we proceed to the interior of the aircraft. We check the gauge of the aircraft for some fuel, and there is fuel remaining in the aircraft.
For the last question, what are the key steps to properly position the landing gear and align the aircraft for weighing?
So the key steps of making that is we use a tool. The name of the tool is the leveling bar. We place the leveling bar inside the aisle of the aircraft in the interior and check the level of the aircraft before weighing.
So that is for today's discussion about preparation of aircraft before weighing.
In aircraft weighing procedure, the materials that we are going to need here is first we have tape measure, and second we have leveling bar, and third we have to get a weighing scale. So the most crucial material here is the weighing scale. So weighing scale is to get the total weight of the aircraft. So in weighing the RC aircraft, we need to put a 3 weighing scale at each of the wheel of the aircraft. So one is the main gear and one of the nose gear of the aircraft. So by putting it, first it's very crucial to have a leveling bar before after calculating all the tail weight, net weight, and CG of the aircraft. So we make sure that the leveling bar are on the lever or the center of the aircraft. So in getting the total weight, we put the scale one here at each of the wheels and nose and the main gear of the aircraft. And by putting the leveling bar, we need to put it on the wings, on the latitudinal wings of the RC aircraft. And lastly, the tape measure, which we will be going to need to get the by using the tape measure, we need it is used to be to determine the aircraft RC arm and the leading edge.
So in measuring the center of gravity of the aircraft, we will be needing the arm, the weight of the aircraft, and the moment of the aircraft. Also, to be specific, we will be also needing the tail weight and dead weight of the aircraft. So the first part, as said, we already have the measurement and the weight of the aircraft for the both nose wheel and left and right main gear. So after measuring and weighing the arm and weight of the aircraft, we proceeded to calculate the. So in calculating the CG, we will be calculating the total arm and the total weight of the aircraft. So before we calculate the CG, we will be needing the moment. So in order to get the moment, we need to multiply the weight and arm of the aircraft, and after multiplying it, we need to add them all to get the total moment of the aircraft. And after adding the total weight and total moment of the aircraft, we will be dividing the total weight and divide the total weight to the total moment of the aircraft, which will result to the total CG of the aircraft.